Hello friends, first of all welcome back to my channel Classy Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So friends, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, now let's move to the details of this video. As far as we are concerned with this video, then my today's video is going to be very stylish, creative and unique for you, because in this video I will be sharing very classy, stylish and amazing design ideas of silk ribbon embroidery. Yes friends, you have heard it right. Our today's video is very creative and would be very entertaining for you, and I request you guys to don't go anywhere and kindly do watch the video till end so that you could get crazy, amazing, stylish, funky and latest trendy design ideas with a lot of fun and creative, mind-blowing ideas as well. But before going into the further details of the design ideas, I have a very simple request for you guys, that if you are new to my channel or you haven't subscribed my channel or you are watching my content for the first time, then friends, don't forget to subscribe. Kindly subscribe right now, and while subscribing, do press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. Friends, because my channel is the only channel from which you can get creative, stylish and funky ideas related to every platform and every type of art of women fashion, home interior designing, hoop art, creativity, hand art and much more. So I provide you a complete package of every type of and every sort of fashion designing activities, guys. So now let's not drag it into some long debate or something else. We should move on to the detailed step-by-step discussion of these design ideas. So friends, first of all we will discuss about the stuff, material with which you are going to make these. All of these patterns are totally based on, are entirely focused on one thing, that you need a silk ribbon to make these floral beautiful patterns, to embroider these. Yes friends, different sorts of silk ribbons are available in market, varying from length. Basically 5 different types, and with respect to shine and thickness, silk ribbons are available. The whole entire collection is being made with the help of shiny silk ribbon material. There are also shimmery silk ribbon and matte tissue silk ribbons, but the most beautiful, attractive and eye-catching are shiny silk ribbons. So I would request you to buy those, because they look classy, decent and elegant at the same time. So friends, all of these are very beautifully designed, very prettily made and very easily made silk ribbon design ideas. Yes friends, these floral bouquets, silk ribbon embroidered flower baskets, hoop art, embroidery kits could be used for various number of reasons, for various ideas, which we will be discussing in our today's video one by one. That is, friends, you can gift these very beautifully made silk ribbon embroidery design kits as an anniversary gift, as a friendship gift, as whatever sort of gift you want to. And if you have your own home, you want to decorate it, then these very beautifully designed floral silk ribbon embroidery kits are a sure way to design your home. Like, you can use them as hoop art, as wall decoration, as side table decoration, for you can also enhance the beauty of your bedrooms, your living rooms, your drawing rooms, even your kids rooms and much more as per your requirements. Okay, now if we go into the depth of home decor and silk ribbon embroidery patterns, then you can use them for designing the table covers, chair covers, kettle covers, even towels like bath towel, hand towel and much more according to your preferences and choices. And now let's focus on the most important point, on the most important aspect, and that is women dress designing. Yes friends, you have heard it right, that you can use these very beautifully designed silk ribbon embroidery patterns for designing your dresses, like your necklines, front neck, back neck, side necklines. You can also design these floral patterns for making the back motif, sleeve motif, trouser motifs, and designing of your baby girls' frocks, skirts, and different sorts of dresses like scarves, stalls, and much more. So basically, the main purpose and enhancing the beauty and use of these designs is to encourage you to kindly do try these patterns and to give you a broader perspective and a broad scope of the silk ribbon embroidery usage. Basically, friends, I hope that I have tried my level best to persuade you to this is a very creative catty pick to divert your attention and give you a creative entertaining touch. So friends, moving back to the design ideas. Friends, you can also design these very beautifully made silk ribbon embroidery borders onto your shirts and trousers borders and much more. Friends, you only have to give some focused attention to make these very beautifully designed silk ribbon patterns, and not only the ones who know the art of silk ribbon embroidery, but these beautifully designed and beautifully handcrafted silk ribbon embroidery patterns are also useful and creative for the ones who are lovers of hand art, and they can simply download this video or they can save the best ones of their designs and they can show it to a nearby embroidery professional and they can make these very beautiful designs for themselves. Friends, I hope that my today's video was in full potential about describing the uses and different type of scope ideas that are specific to silk ribbon embroidery. If you want to get more creative, beautiful and classy ideas related to silk ribbon embroidery, then kindly go to my channel's playlist ribbon work design and tutorials, and for more hand art design ideas like hand embroidery, mirror work, gota work and much more related to hand art, go to my channel specific playlists. Like friends, for the ease of users, for the ease of viewers, we have divided our work, our content into different playlists like silk ribbon embroidery, hand embroidery, sweater designs, baby footwear, baby dresses, western dress design and much more, like mehndi designs, girls fashionable accessories, jewelry designs. So all I want is your endless love, your support and your concern and interest toward my content. So stay tuned. We will soon be back with you along with some new design ideas. Up till then, take care of yourselves and thank you so much for watching my content.